One of the most exciting features of your customer portal is your ability to create your own requisition lists. These lists serve as your universal shopping list of parts that you purchase repeatedly. By adding products to a requisition list, your part numbers are now permanently stored in your account, so you don't have to track them down the next time you need to order. You can create a requisition list from your portal account and add products to the list from there. Simply select the part that you'd like to add to a list, click on the product. On the right-hand side, select Add to Requisition List and choose the list that you'd like to add it to. Once you've done so, go to your My Account, go to your requisition lists, and you will see the part's been added. You have the ability to create up to 999 requisition lists. We recommend creating separate requisition lists for each plan and each piece of dust collection equipment you maintain. For example, Albany, New York 10,000 CFM bag house or Tuscarora, Alabama 5,000 CFM cartridge collector.